Hi everyone. We will create our first test case. So I'm choosing one application like automation practices. No, not this one. So automation. So this is the one open source application. So we can go on work with. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Sorry. Okay, I chose this application, automationpractice.com. So this is for the automation practice for the paper. So now my flow is like I enter the URL. I'll go to the contact us page and I will see whether I have landed in the contact us page or not. Okay, so this is the page. So this is the same we are going to do automate. Okay, simple test case. So I'll mention this is here we are going to write the test cases. Folder will create automation practices. Automation practices. Okay. So this is my first case. Sorry, this is a folder. Automation practices. This okay. This is a folder, not the. Okay. So delete it. So under this automation practices, I'm creating one new file. So no, verify contact us page dot JS file. So this is the JS file. So right. So JS file. So Cypress automation supports JavaScript. So here mainly we need to concentrate on two things. So Cypress supports Mocha framework. In Mocha framework, describe block and if block are the two main things. So what we need to concentrate. Describe block, it is a kind of test suite. Just imagine it's a kind of test suite. Inside that we can write number of test cases. So test cases are nothing but it block. One it block we can. Okay, I'll show you. Describe. Sorry. So describe block. So here describe block. No? So what is the test case? We are going through the test case, right? What is the test case? So verify contact us screen. Contact page validation. Okay, this is my test case pattern function. So we're using pattern function. So inside that we can write multiple test cases. So I'm writing the test case. So launch the URL. Okay. So this is my function. cy dot. Okay, cy dot means Cypress. Cypress is coming directly. So before that, for that, say here it is giving few things, right? Instead of that one. So to get the Cypress methods, when we use cy dot, it will display the suggestions, like Cypress suggestions, what we need to use. So for the first time we're using what type of suggestions we need to use. We'll get it by helping this. We need to add before writing the script. Reference types equal to Cypress. Cypress. Okay. So there is a spelling check. See, now I will use cy dot. See, we are getting the suggestions dot cy dot visit. So I'm launching the web app. So cy dot launch. So launch the URL. Okay, so we have launched the URL. Next. So okay, we would run till here. So now npx Cypress open. So I'm launching the Cypress test runner. So Visual Studio Code is used to write the scripting, like automation test case. We can write, we can store, we can maintain the Visual Studio Code. But to run the test case to see through the Cypress automation, so we need to go to the Cypress dashboard. So this is the Cypress dashboard. So I am selecting the Chrome browser. I am running it. So this is the automation practice. Under automation practices, we can see the test case. See, say launch the URL. So visit by using visit method, we have launched the URL. Okay. So we got the even it is giving get 200. So services also the status we are getting. So this is my test case. It launch the URL. It launched the URL. Okay. Now, so I need to go to the I need to click on contact us page. Okay. So for that, right click on the browser, inspect element. So we have to install the crow path. So to identify the elements. So normally we are going with like Selenium and Python when we are using Selenium through Java or Python. So we will go with the XPath and the CSS selectors. But in Cypress, so by default elements will be identified with the help of CSS selectors. So very easily we can identify the elements. So I choose selecting the elements by X and by CSS selectors. Say contact us. I need to click on contact us. So this is a link here. Now, so title is the contact us. So what I can do? So I can write one CSS selector. Now I will take this ID. So what is the tag name div? What is the element ID equal to? And captures contact link. So contact link is my CSS selector element. Space A. See, the element got highlighted. So I am going to use this element for to click on this element. Okay. Now it block. Click on the contact us link. Okay. Okay. I'm rerunning the test. See, did you see? It launched the URL. It clicked on the contact link. See, so which element it got clicked? So this is the click happened. So the dot it is showing. So before screenshot, This is the contact us. After clicking, what is the screenshot? It should appear. It should appear the, yeah. See, after clicking, see, when you see, before was, no? See, this is the one we can see before this is the one. After clicking on contact us, so it appeared send a message, so email address, this page. So the same will verify here. After clicking, what is the, okay, the click has not happened. Yeah. So it got clicked, but the click hasn't happened. So for that, no, we need to say click focus means, so click method. So we have Cypress documentation, right? We have here Cypress document. Click force to, yeah, instead of going there. So we have one method called click force, force to. Okay, so we are making that force click. So it's a, even it is a link, it's a kind of web element. So that is why I'm giving this one. So I will try to read on. Yeah, see, it click now. See, click force to work, and we are in the page loaded. Okay, see, now we are in the page. See, after this one, page loaded. Okay, now we are in this page. Yeah, it worked here. Yes, yes. But it should come here only. Say page loaded, it appear. Now we are in this screen. Okay. Mm. Now what we need to validate in this page. So we'll do a small check. Okay. Now, so we user landed in the contact us page. So we'll go with this text. We'll go with this text. Okay. Customer service contact us. Hmm? Hmm. So we'll go to say assistant. H1 as equal to. So when there is a gap, no, between, we can go with any one of the. Okay. Mm. So this is the element I identify. Okay. This one. Yes. Mm. So it block verify contact us page or validation or verify user in the user landed in the contact us page. That's it. So CY.get. So in this class and dot see what all is there. Dot contains okay. What is the text? Mm, Contact us. So I'm validating through the text. We'll see. Contact or contact us. Or yeah, just I will go through this one. If it is working, then fine. So we can rerun it from here. Verify user and contact us. Let's see. Okay, contact us. See it highlighted again. It highlighted. Okay. It contains contact us or otherwise we can do one more. Slash cy dot cy dot URL. This URL no, should include include what is the see URL no normally URL changes right. See contact details contact see, contact. Even in this way also this is also one kind of assertion inbuilt assertion. Okay, as URL should include contact. So URL also contains contact or we are validating some text. Anything is fine. Okay. Yes, yes. See, launch the app. So now it will help. See, this is coming. See, this is the expected URL to include contact us. This is the good right here. So very easy, very easy. So each and every time we can refer the Cypress automation document, and then we can do the automation testing.